Assalamualaikum and good evening to you guys. So today's topic is about meeting. So generally we know meeting is a gathering of employees or members of the same teams or the same department. So there are two types of meetings, which is good and bad meetings. In my opinion, one of the characteristics of good meeting is it has a clear purpose. So what I mean by the clear purpose, so the good meeting has something to talk or discuss. For example, they have to decide for something important, or they want to solve a problem, also to share information. However, the bad meetings is something like it has no clear purpose, because during the meeting all members are not discussing about the topic or agenda, and when it is not happen, this leads to waste of time. So that's why it is called the bad meeting. So Fazil, what do you think?
That is interesting, Afiq. My name is Muhamad member of SABRI. In my opinion, point 2 is really important because a good meeting always has a clear agenda and defined objectives. When everyone knows why they are there and what outcomes are expected, the discussion stays focused and productive. On the other hand, a bad meeting without any agenda or focus often leaves participants because people may talk in circles, waste valuable time, and at the end, there are no actionable results. This difference can really affect team morale and efficiency. For example, if we keep having unfocused meetings, deadline may be missed and decision delayed. So I believe the clarity of purpose is the key to making meetings effective. Do you agree with this perspective, or do you see it differently?
Thanks, Fazil. I would like to add point 3 is decision and follow-up. A good meeting always ends with a clear decision and specific follow-up action. Everyone leaves knowing exactly what they need to do. This is relevant since before ending the meeting. For example, the leader summarizes the decision, Fazil will handle the design, FATIN will write the report, deadline is Friday. This made everyone clear about their roles and responsibilities. However, for a bad meeting ends with a confusion, no decisions are made, no tasks assigned, and no next steps are explained. For example, the meeting finished with someone saying, "Okay, so what now?" This means no one is assigned any responsibility and make work get delayed because there is no clear direction. So Hazirah, what's your perspective on?
Thank you, Ju. I agree with your point, but I would like to emphasize the time management in meetings from the angle of the real examples. It's become more clear. For a good meeting, show a strong time management. We start and end on time, and discussion can stay focused. Everyone that participates in the meeting can understand the point that presents from the presenter. This helps the meeting run smoothly and keep everyone productive. For a bad meeting usually has a poor time management. It starts late, drags too long, or goes off topic. If the meeting drags too long, everyone or the colleague member also can feel boring about the meeting, and this can waste everyone's time and reduce productivity. Okay, could you share your thoughts?
Hazirah, but I have my own point. My point is clear purpose. We know that all the meetings have their main goals, such as to discussion, to solve the problem, and to update about their work. My point on bad meeting is poor time management. Poor time management is because of start late, no important discussion, and let the discussion late. So to conclude, All the points we discussed complement each other. We can summarize that the distinction between a good meeting has a bad meeting lies in the overall effect it leaves. A good meeting contribute positive, clarity, and move things forward, while a bad meeting leaves little impact, causes confusion, and offer no real progress. The true measure is whether the meeting add value or supply consumer time without meaningful outcome.